Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanine Amapola. If this is your first time coming to my page, and this is my fiance, Kaleb, soon to be husband.
And this is the cooking show, part one.
Part one. So we are getting married next month, and before we get married, I thought I would have you guys get to spend some more time with us, have you guys meet Kaleb, and excuse me, I just had a burp. That was disgusting. We are going to be baking pumpkin bread and
while we're waiting, we're gonna eat some tomato soup.
Yes. So we're gonna be doing like a fall cook with us while you guys get to know Kaleb. Whoa, relax.
I'm ready to eat.
He's just so excited. So I hope you guys will subscribe and stick around for more videos. I post every single Monday, and
I look a lot taller than you.
it's good.
Which is good.
You like that, right?
Yeah.
It's awesome. All right, let's do it.
Let's get after it.
Okay, after some complications with our camera, we are back. The camera keeps freezing.
What were we talking about?
I don't remember, but I was saying that normally I am the cook in the relationship, and I have taught Kaleb how to be the cook.
You look so good.
Thanks, babe. Okay, so we're making pumpkin bread from Trader Joe's, and this takes about 55 minutes to make, and we have a party to go to tonight, so we've got to get crack-a-lackin'. You know what else should be crack-a-lackin'? The egg.
Where is it?
Right here.
So
okay, so we need 1 egg, or 2 eggs, which turns out my sister, she ate all the eggs, so we have 1 left. Oh wait, it's a dirty bowl.
No, it's not.
Oh, well, I didn't make it work.
You see the way I cracked that?
That was beautiful. Then we need ½ a cup of vegetable oil, which also, y'all, I don't think vegetable oil is any good for you, so I'm not like...
I don't even think I need a measurement cup, I kind of know.
That's the difference between me and Kaleb. I'm like, let's get the measuring cup.
Okay, here, where is it?
Here's 1/3 cup. That's literally the wrong measurement. It's like yay big. Also, he is making us tomato soup. In the meantime, we have this.
Okay.
Aye.
Okay, look at this. I'm gonna close my eyes.
This is a very fall day.
Put this out, and I'm gonna.
Baby, this is ½ a cup.
No, it's
we
not.
need
a full cup.
I know, but we need ½ a cup.
Mother trucker. Hold it over the thing. I'm gonna close my eyes and pour it. And I'm gonna stop it when I think it's ready, because I bet you I'd know.
Oh my gosh.
I bet I know the exact amount that I need.
Okay, no cheating.
I'm not.
No cheating.
Did nothing come out?
Literally, y'all, it was still here.
Oh no.
That was nothing. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't want to have extra any of this oil because it's just not good for you. So I don't want any more than I need to have.
All right, here we go.
Alrighty.
Hang on. We got the soup
Then
ready.
okay, now we need 1 cup of water, bub. So we get married in a month. We are so freaking pumped. We are filming this in October. We get married in November. So you guys are gonna be getting some fun married content. Oh, yes. What is it like marrying an influencer? How does that feel? Because like, obviously you knew you were signing up for that, but it's kind of a life transition for you.
It is. I feel like we went through like a good 8 months of dating before we posted anything. So I feel like, I don't know, I'm just used to it. And I don't know, it's not that crazy. Like, I don't think it's like this like insane, different type of life.
Sorry, I'm making so much noise over here. I'm just trying to get my whisk out.
Honestly, I don't know how to answer that question. I think it's just who you are. It coincides, like, I'm not gonna be an influencer. Like, I'm not even an influencer at all. But like, I have other goals that is outside of the social media world. So it's just like, in my opinion, it's like, it's what you do, and I'm gonna go keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm gonna help you do what you do. And we form a team.
We do form a team. We're actually a really good team. We work really well together. So fun fact, we're actually filming this on like a Thursday afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock. We're both pretty tired, but we were like, okay, let's just do it.
I love tomato soup.
Yeah, he's a big soup guy. He's been a big soup guy lately. What are some fun facts about yourself that like people don't know typically?
I was homeschooled.
Oh yeah, sorry, go ahead.
I was homeschooled. I grew up on a farm. I love college football. I'm a big guys guy. So like, I'm not a big artsy
guy like me.
Artsy fartsy. I'm not gonna go to a museum with you unless it's about the, you know, cowboys and Indians, or like something historic, something about the wars. So
this looks so good.
So our camera keeps messing up.
It keeps overheating.
What we hope this video does is we want to set fall vibes.
Yeah, we want you guys to bake some muffins with us.
Go make some tomato soup.
Get your fall candles.
Get your
Go get your PSL.
Yeah.
Because we are in the fall fall vibes, and we want you guys to be in the fall vibes. Literally, that's my favorite season. Anyone that's watched me for as long as you have, you guys, it's actually really sweet. On my Instagram, you're like, oh, the fall era of Jeanine is my favorite era.
You should do that in California.
Yeah, I still did. Did I do that in California, guys? I think I did.
You don't have a fall there.
Yeah, that was a big reason why I didn't like living there was seasons. I really didn't like that there weren't. Are you gonna eat that all by yourself without me?
I'll give you the last food.
But anyway, so you grew up on a farm. You are also, fun fact for people, he is about to be 25. I am, oh, he's that guy. It doesn't taste very good, does it?
That's really good.
Really? Okay, are you guys the type of people that will like eat raw batter? Because I'm personally not. Whenever I make banana pancakes, he'll always eat the raw batter. I don't do that.
What is the most fun part about being with me?
I'd say,
Hey,
hold on, I gotta get the sides.
Too much oil.
He gets so mad at me when I use too much oil.
I gotta be honest with you, this is a dessert in of itself.
Is it? Okay, let me try it.
You gotta try a spoon.
Wow, that's why I like this. So yeah, he's about to be 25 and I am 29. And so we do have a little bit of an age gap.
So weird.
We have a 4-year age gap, but we don't really notice it, honestly. And I would say like, even though people might be like, oh, she's older than him, we have the same interests, but we love the same things. We love college football. We love to go on walks. We play pickleball together.
We
love to go to church. Friends.
We love talking about like current affairs. What's happening in America.
What's happening in the world. What's happening in pop culture. We love talking about that.
We are big TikTok people.
My arm is getting
I told you.
Okay, you hold it, let me scoop. Look, this is teamwork. And we have a lot of common friends, which is great. We share friends. Bubby, that's gonna be too messy.
I think I asked you what's the most fun part about dating you.
Oh, the most fun part is like, honestly, that we just like have fun in the mundane with like everything we do.
We like doing like logistical things together, which is...
This is an arm workout. Thank you. Logistical things?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like go to Target, you know.
Oh, yeah. He grocery shops with me a lot. If you guys don't know our full story, we do have a podcast, or it's my podcast called Happy and Healthy, but we have podcasts together a lot. And he's come on and we have this one called Our Story. We share our stories, so if you guys want to check that out, you can. But what are you most looking forward to in marriage? He's such a dude. That's my cue to go. The oven is ready.
What am I looking forward to most in marriage? I've said it before, but like not having to drive home after a late night, just being able to go to bed, being able to wake up together, being able to, you know, do the dang-a-lang. Not to be cringy Christians, but we are waiting for marriage, and so that is an exciting part, you know, of getting married. You know, just being honest. We've just waited, and we are excited. We're also just excited to start our lives and work together, travel together. I'm excited to do all the seasons with you. I'm excited to be a father in a couple years, so I'm excited. What do you think is the most different part about your life now that you're about to get married to a man versus your life 2 or 3 years ago when you were doing social media? How is that transition?
That's a really good question. Thank you. I would say it's really hard at first, but really good, because I think in the beginning, like, you can just, what are you doing? Oh. Is it hot? Oh my gosh, be careful. The stove is still on.
It's a little toasty.
Oh my. You know, when you're single, like, you can just do whatever, whenever, and like, you don't have anybody to basically call to. And now we're combining a schedule, we're combining a budget. Like, it's weird having to be like, oh, we need to make these decisions together, travel together, go through the finances together. So it's weird going from like a single where you can basically do whatever you want, which is almost sometimes bad, to where now it's like, oh, you are challenging me, calling me higher, double checking things that I haven't been checking in a while. So I think that's just quite a transition, going from just an individual to being like, oh, we're one. Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
It is nuts.
What about you?
I feel like I was built to be a husband. I don't know. Like
He is.
God built me to be a dad. He built me to be a husband. He built me to, I don't need a lot of people. I got my good guy friends. Like, I naturally have like had a good amount of friends, but I don't need to constantly surround myself by externals to like be happy. It's like, find my wife, find my God, you know, I'm Gucci, you know?
Love that.
You got better at that.
Okay, until the muffins are ready, we are going to let those cook, and then we will be back. Y'all, look. Oh, baby. That looks so good. It looks so good. It smells even better.
To the boxing thing.
He's obsessed with boxing. All right, let's go.
This smells like October.
All right,
Should I get
you
him
need
out?
the oven mitts. Yeah.
I'm just gonna get him. I can get him bare hand.
Yeah, that's a man right there.
You weren't gonna stop me.
No, I trusted you.
Aw,
you wouldn't do that.
Baby,
What, Bob?
there's a runt of the group. Look at the poor
Oh,
thing.
the little Bobby. He's so tiny.
Man,
That looks pretty good. What do you think?
looks great.
All right, let's see.
You need Cool Whip.
Remember when in Family Guy he says, cool whip. Why am I saying it what way?
Should I try it?
No, it has to sit for a second. It has to sit. Okay, we made perfect muffins, and now we're gonna try them.
Oh my
Is
gosh.
there anything else we should talk about? Wait,
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers. These look
They're
unbelievable.
perfect.
Go make a pumpkin muffin.
Oh my gosh. Okay, the only thing I would add is chocolate chip muffins.
They don't
I mean, chocolate chips in here.
No. You can't, it's not pumpkin anymore.
This is perfect.
Perfect. I don't even think you need that other egg.
I really don't. But if you want extra protein. Wow.
Wow.
Comment below, what is your favorite thing to do in fall? I think ours is eat and get Starbucks drinks. We love Starbucks. Yeah, that's pretty
I don't eat stuff like this very often.
That's a dang lie.
What?
Who has more of a sweet tooth in our relationship?
I don't eat stuff like this. Since when?
When I bake them?
When was the last time you made pumpkin muffins?
Last year. I made this recipe last year. That's the best. Wait, who has more of a sweet tooth in our relationship? Lately, it's been you. I like pickles and chips, but I do like ice cream. Do you want them just to watch us eat the whole time? Look how perfect they are. Are you eating mine? What else should we do before this clip freezes? We need to work out tonight.
Yeah, we do. Wow. I just can't get over how good this is.
I know. Okay, so what are you most looking forward to at our wedding?
The rehearsal dinner.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that?
The speeches, the dinner, it's gonna be blast.
I'm looking forward to the second those doors open and I see you at the end of the aisle.
Oh yeah, of course.
I was like, that's not his first answer. Just kind of hurt a little bit.
Yeah, no, seeing you walk down the aisle. That's gonna be insane.
So we went to our wedding venue today and we walked down together. He hadn't seen the venue until today. I've already seen it once or twice. It was really cool. It was just so surreal being like, oh my gosh, this is where we're getting married. This is the literally best bread of my life.
I can't believe it. I'm fat.
I also cannot wait just to see all of our friends.
Yeah.
Like our friends and our family. Our families haven't met yet.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy.
That is insane.
We have a couple shower this weekend and none of his family can come. What's up with that?
Oh no.
There's some conspiracy
It's a
theory
little
to that.
suspicious.
That was a little suspicious.
Maybe. And they like you, I think.
I think so too. He's being sarcastic, just so y'all know.
I have a headache now.
A little sugar headache. Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed baking pumpkin bread with us. We had a blast.
It was fun.
It was worth it. The food was delicious.
We should do this more often.
We really should.
Yeah, once a month.
We've actually been getting a lot more into cooking. We made chili this week for the first time. We made spaghetti squash, which is a very like fall dish. Pumpkin bread. I made pumpkin waffles yesterday. That was good. We've been getting really into the fall spirit. That's why I'm really thankful we got work made in the fall time because it's my favorite season.
I'll be cool. It was fun, guys.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us. We post a ton on my podcast once a week on Happy and Healthy every Tuesday. By the time you're watching this, there should be another episode from us coming out. So stay tuned for that. And we'll be posting more every Monday. So please let us know what else do you want to see on the YouTube channel from us. And oh my gosh, wedding content will be coming soon. We'll have a full wedding video coming as well. So stay tuned for that. Anything else you want to say to the followers?
Dude, I have a sugar headache.
Yeah, honestly, I need to chug some water.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
So I hope you guys enjoyed getting to know Kaleb a little bit more, and he'll be around more often because obviously we're about to be married. And thank you guys for being a part of this journey with me. It's seriously so crazy and so exciting. I've been on the internet for like 11 years and your girl's getting married. It's so crazy. So thank you guys for being a part of the journey and much more fun content to come. So see you guys soon and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys. Bye.